Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will show you guys on how to configure database server. So first of all, we are going to type sudo apt install MySQL server, which is to start the MySQL service, and then we are going to need to hold up. Okay, after that I am going to start my SQL service. So from here I'm going to create a new database which called WordPress. Now I'm creating a user, which WP user, and I'm going to grant a privilege for the WordPress for this IP 192.168.0.2, and then I will flush my privilege and then exit. Now I will restart my SQL service. Sorry, but I need to use the other configuration. System ctl daemon reload. Now I'm going to show you guys the database that I've created. So as we can see over here, the WordPress database is over there.
So now let's continue Webserver 2 command, which is sudo apt install aperture 2. First we must to install the aperture 2 php. So this command sudo apt install aperture 2 php php-mysql lib aperture 2-mod-php unzip. So continue, wait for the minute to install it. Okay, it's done. Clear. Okay, let's continue with the command wget https wordpress.org/latest.zip. Wait for the minute. Okay, it's done. So next command is unzip latest.z. So as you can see, okay, clear. Next command is sudo mv wordpress /var/www/html/ okay. So then type sudo chon -r www-data www data slash var slash www slash html slash wordpress. Then type sudo chmod -r 755 slash var slash www slash html slash wordpress. Next, sudo nano slash etc slash apache 2 slash si slash available slash wordpress dash .conf. Alright, now we are in. So we put the type as you can see virtual host, using the 80, and then document root slash var slash www slash html slash wordpress. Then directory slash var slash www slash html slash wordpress. This is for site available. Then type allow, override all, then directory, then type virtual host, alright, it's done, save. So now we do the sudo sudo a2 inside WordPress, enabling WordPress to activate the information you need to run system reload Apache. Alright, so now we sudo a2 AHMAD rewrite. So now sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. Okay, now we have a problem, so we must run the systemctl daemon reload. Alright, to in that file, which is WordPress. So we do the that command. So sudo nano var slash www slash html slash wordpress slash wp slash config.php. Now we must to change the database username, password, localhost. So yeah, database name is WordPress. Username is WP user, and then password wait a minute, password PASSW word 123, and then localhost we use 192.168.168 .0.161. Alright, save. Alright.
Okay, continue to my part, which is on the how to connect the database and the web server. So first of all, the first command that I will type here is we will start with the sudo systemctl apache status apache 2. Okay, so this command is to check either the apache is active or not. So this is important for us to know that the apache is active. So on the other side, we will use the same command, which is the sudo systemctl status MySQL pula untuk for the database. So as you can see there, that is active. So I will continue to the next command, which is we will check the IPA. So we will know the IP address for the web server, and then we'll copy that and we paste it on our Chrome. So we put the HTTP. Alright. Okay, there you go. Our Apache 2 Ubuntu. Okay, and then we go to the WordPress. And here we go. This is the WordPress that we use in our assignment. Okay, right now I'm looking for the login page. So as you can see there, we will know the author is ABC1233. So okay. Right. So I will try once again. So here I'll put HTTP as usual 192.168. Oh, no. Not 65. It is 159. So here we go. This is the WordPress, and then we go to the WP login PHP, and yeah, we put the ABC 1233. Okay, where did we get that password is from our database? So we will log in into the WordPress. Okay, this is it. So we go to the user. After that, we can see we have the username is ABC1233, and then let me show you how that our user is connected to the database. So we go to the sudo MySQL show databases. Okay, and we will use the WordPress show tables, and here we go. This is shows that our database and the WordPress is connected. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now let's move on to the firewall. We need to type sudo apt install ufw to install the packet. And then we type sudo ufw enable to enable the ufw. And then we need to allow the SSH by using this command. And then we need to allow the HTTPS. And now we need to allow 192 our IP address to port 22 and port 443. So basically port 443 is the HTTPS. And then we need to deny the default incoming. And then we need to go to the etc systl config file. And we need to edit the file, and we need to go below. We need to go find the net IPv4 IP forward equal 1. As you can see, I have been delete the hashtag, and then we need to save the file by pressing the Ctrl and X button and click Y. Okay, now we need to go to the before rules files, and as you can see, we need to paste this code and save it into this file. Okay, now we need to reload it again, and we need to check the status of verbose. So as you can see, this is our IP address has been allowed in port 443, and port 443 basically is for HTTPS. And we need to go to our browser and type our IP address server, and as you can see, this is our server, which is Ubuntu Apache. Press on the URL. This is our web application for our project. Okay, now let's see if the HTTPS has been functioned. So as you can see, it has been functioned.